Hello friends, welcome again. In our last video we have learned about the topic set theory. Now today we are going to start our second topic, that is relation in function, and the first part of that topic is Cartesian product of sets. Now I want to tell you that this topic, relation function, is a very important topic for class 11th as well as 12th. For 11th Rajasthan board student, this topic completely covered in their 11th class syllabus. Whereas for CBSE students, some part of this topic is in 11th and some part is in 12th. And this topic has a great significance in the problems of IIT. Therefore, this topic is very important for IIT also. So please go through these videos very carefully, as I am going to tell you this topic in very easy way. And we are starting this topic from the A, means from the basics we are starting this topic. So our first topic in this topic is Cartesian product of sets. All of you have learned what are sets, how we write sets, what are subsets of sets, and all these things in my previous videos. So today we are going to start the Cartesian product of sets. By the definition, what is Cartesian product of sets? I have written over here. Let A and B are two non-empty sets. Then the set of all ordered pairs A comma B, where A is element of set A and B is element of set B, is called Cartesian product A cross B. This is product of set A and set B. So in mathematically we will write A cross B is what? Ordered pair A comma B, where small a is the element of capital A, set capital A, small b is the element of set capital B. इसको easy language में आप ये समझें, if we are doing A cross B, अगर हम A cross B calculate कर रहे हैं, तो ordered pair में पहले element A के आएंगे, फिर elements B के आएंगे. Means first we will write the elements of A, then we will write the elements of B. Similarly, if we want to write B cross A, then in ordered pairs, the first element will be of B and the second element will be of A. So this is what A cross B. We will understand by taking an example. Now I want to tell you one more thing. What is the order of A cross B? If order of a set A is M and order of a set B is N, means set A contains M elements and set B contains N elements, then order of A cross B or order of B cross A will be product of those numbers, that is here order of A cross B means number of elements in A cross B. Order of A cross B means what are the number of elements in A cross B is known as order of A cross B. Now we will understand by taking an example. Example 1, A is a set containing two elements 1 and 2, B is a set containing three elements A, B and C. Now if we want to write A cross B, we will write in such a manner that in all ordered pairs, the first element will be of A and the second element will be of B. So we are writing 1 comma A, comma 1 comma B, comma 1 comma C, comma 2 comma A, 2 comma B, 2 comma C. So this is the set of A cross B and known as Cartesian product of A and B. Similarly, if you want to write B cross A, so here the first element will be of set B and the second element will be of set A. That is A comma 1, A comma 2, B comma 1, B comma 2, C comma 1, C comma 2. Here you can see that order of A is 2 and order of B is 3. So order of A cross B is 2 into 3 6, or order of B cross A is 2 into 3 into 2 6. So this is what A cross B and B cross A. Now we take up another question which is very important, in which a set A is given to us and we need to evaluate A cross A cross A. Now one thing to be noted over here, when two sets are multiplied, means product of two sets is taken, then we get pairs. So we call them ordered pairs. But if three sets are multiplied, then we call them ordered triplets. Ordered triplets. अगर तीन सेट मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं तो जो रिजल्टेंट आता है उसको हम कहते हैं ऑर्डर्ड ट्रिपलेट्स. तो इसमें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल कैलकुलेट ए क्रॉस ए, जैसे हमने पहले किया वैसे ही। ए क्रॉस ए मींस ए को ही ए से प्रोडक्ट करेंगे, सो विल गेट द एलिमेंट्स ए बी ए एंड बी बी। नाउ विल टेक अनदर एग्जांपल, अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इन व्हिच वी नीड टू फाइंड द ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट A cross A. We have an example set A containing two elements A comma B, then we need to evaluate A cross A. So for this, first we calculate A cross A. By our previous method, what is A cross A will be multiply product of A comma B with A comma B. That is A comma B, B comma A, B comma B. Now we will take the product of A cross A with A, that is all these four ordered pairs with A cross B, A comma B. So we'll get A comma A comma A, A comma B comma A, B comma A comma A, B comma B comma A comma B, A comma B comma B, B comma A comma B, and B comma B comma B. Here you can see A was having two elements, then A cross A was having 2 into 2, 4 elements, and A cross A was having 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8 elements. The above are called ordered triplets. Now I will take another example. Order of A is 3. Any set A is given in which order is 3, and PQ and QR are the elements of A cross A. Then we need to find all the elements of A and A cross A. Means a set A is given to us, हमको एक सेट A दिया है जिसमें 3 एलिमेंट्स हैं, उसके ऑर्डर पेयर A क्रॉस A के 2 एलिमेंट P, Q और Q, R हैं, तो हमको A के सारे एलिमेंट चाहिए और A क्रॉस A के सारे एलिमेंट चाहिए। ना इसको कैसे करेंगे देखिए, सिंस ऑर्डर ऑफ A is 3, A का ऑर्डर 3 है, इट मींस ऑर्डर ऑफ A क्रॉस A is 3 into 3 9 है। इसका मतलब इट मींस A क्रॉस A contains 9 elements, out of which 2 elements are given to us, P, Q and Q, R. And as we know, the order of A is 3 and P, Q and Q, R contain 3 different elements, P, Q, R. Thus we can say that the set A will have the elements P, Q, R. Now you can calculate A cross A. So this was what the Cartesian product of sets, a very important topic. In our next video, we will start with our next part, that is relations. Thank you. Have a great day.